So my heart bleeds each and every time ZANU-PF speaks about the liberation struggle. Why? Is because they don't understand the real values and principles for the liberation struggle. They don't understand why the liberation struggle was fought. The liberation struggle was fought for a black man to own a business, for a black man to be self-sufficient, for a black man to be economically independent. These are black men who are molding these bricks. Instead of the government giving them land to do their molding of bricks so that they can feed their families, they can employ other people, the government is busy using caterpillars to destroy these bricks. No warning, no what. They would have come and said, guys, we are giving you so hours, remove these bricks or sell these bricks. They would have given these people time to sell their bricks and then bar them from continuously molding the bricks in this area. But alas, they decided to come with a grader. Everything was turned into rubble. This is what the government is doing. This is money which was invested in these bricks. You have paid labor, you have bought cement, you have bought sand and other raw materials used, and everything is lost just like that. It happened in 2005. It was happening in the past few years. It has been happening in Harare. They will come and destroy everything. Why? It's because they don't care. If it is about you, they don't care. They only care about themselves. That's the reason why they give each other tenders. That is the reason why they are corrupt, they loot, and they do everything. What do we need to do? Let us unite as citizens. Let us make sure that we talk, we sit down and talk and tell other the truth, that in 2023 we cannot afford to have this government any longer. Guys, if we fail to vote in 2023, this will continue. Our people will continue to suffer. Their investment will continuously be attacked. These are not the only people. When they approached the Mbudzi roundabout, when they wanted to remove people who were trading there, they used the same tactics. Instead of them evicting people with dignity, they evicted people harshly. And what happened next? People lost their goods. People lost their investments. This is what the government of Zimbabwe is good at. They are good at giving the Chinese land to do business, but they are not good to give the people of Zimbabwe land to do business. If you are a Zimbabwean, it's very difficult for you to get a place or to get land for you to do business. But if you're a Chinese, if you're a foreigner, it's easy for you to get land. It's easy for you to do business in the nation of Zimbabwe. Why? It's because the leaders we have, they hate to see rich Zimbabweans, because rich Zimbabweans will prevent them to hang on to power for long.